I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning voice chat on inside the game, open settings, go to audio, and enable voice chat now. Once done, pick open mic for continuous talk or push to talk for controlled bursts, and bind that key so you don't fumble. Make sure your microphone device is selected and set input level around 70 to 80% so teammates hear you clearly without clipping. After that, join the parking lobby or server. Move on immediately to positioning and channel selection so you can communicate on the fly. Once in the session, choose where you will speak. Team for everyone on your team, party for friends, or proximity to talk only to nearby cars. You select proximity and then adjust the radius so only close players hear you. This keeps parking instructions local and reduces clutter. Make sure push-to-talk is mapped to a reachable key if you use it, and test with a teammate or nearby player to verify level and stereo balance. Then move into your car and practice short calls during slow maneuvers. You finish by practicing clear, concise callouts, call distances, direction, and stop, short phrases so drivers react fast. If you suddenly go silent, check the game's mute, the party or lobby mute, and your operating system's microphone permissions. These three are common blockers. If audio still fails, restart your audio driver, unplug and reconnect the headset, or relog the game to reset voice services. Finally, if proximity feels wrong, adjust radius again and repeat a quick test so your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.